Good morning students, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Dhara Kapadia and in today's lecture I am going to brief you about Standard 10 English Supplementary chapter number 7, the Negatives. So in this chapter the writer Guy, he wrote very beautiful scenario and the beauty of reality, showcasing the difference between the rich and the poor people actually. So here there are main two characters, Matilda and her husband. Matilda by born she was very beautiful, very graceful, but by default he born in a very poor family. Because of her poorness and her family was not capable to give the dowry, he married to a very poor person actually. He married to a person who is working in the education department, right, and as a very lower class person, right. So the chapter is starting with this Matilda only, right. His dreams to become very rich. He wants to help a very graceful parties. He wants to wear a very beautiful dresses, gowns. Even he wants to eat in a silver plate, right? So whatever the goals, whatever the ideas was coming out from this Matilda was the richness only. Okay, because of the new dresses she want to wear, the other things what her husband was doing for her was not that much important for her actually. And that was the thing only. She was always unhappy for whatever the surrounding of her, whatever she already have in her life. That is the thing only, the people are not happy, right? Actually in real life also, the things already we have, we don't have that much value of it. Because her husband was a clerk in such department, education department, and the clerk's income is not that much that the clerk can provide each and everything to his family. Same thing happened with the Matilda also. Even during the dinner, her husband said, alas, oh, very nice pot pie. Now pot pie is a dish, right? There are numbers of vegetables in it and it's one kind of a soup, right? So while her husband was talking about the pot pie, the food, that time also Matilda thought about a very rich dinner in a silver plate, a various type of varieties of food should be there. So whatever she has, she was not happy with it, right? So that was the thing. Now one day what happened? Her husband came to home very cheerfully and in his hand there was one envelope. In front of Matilda, he opened the envelope and shown her the invitation card of the minister's party. And very selected people got this invitation and a very hard work, this clerk, Matilda's husband, gained that invitation and he thought that Matilda will be very happy while watching this invitation card. But the thing happens opposite way. While Matilda seen this invitation, he become very cruel. She become very cruel. Even he taken the envelope and threw on the table of that envelope. Because she didn't have that much graceful dress to wear, she didn't have jewelry to wear in that party, so she denied to go in the party. That time also, her husband, his mood become very broken down, because whatever his expectations was there, Matilda broken it out. Then there was a conversation between them that if Matilda can wear the dress which they already wore during the theatre. They went to theatre. But that dress was also very old. It was not suitable for the dress, for the party actually. So her husband asked her that for the new dress, what kind of the amount she need. That dress later on should be usable for another place, for another occasion also. So that kind of the dress she can buy. So after thinking so many times, she came to know, she was thinking that how much amount she can tell so that her husband allow her to buy a new dress. And whatever the amount she told, right, that amount was collected for the gun, right? Her husband collected it for the gun also. So whatever the amount he collected for the gun, to buy a new gun, he given to her wife to buy the dress. So this much poorness happened in that family. So this thing happened. Then what happened? That after that thing, she already buy a new dress. Then she thought about the jewelry. So her husband suggests that her school friend, which is very rich, right, she can borrow that necklace from her. But because of the poorness, Matilda was not that much friendly with her, because whenever he went to her home, she always realized about her poorness only. But because of the necklace, she went her home, and her friend allowed her. She went to her room and allowed her whatever the necklace she want to choose, she can take it. And finally, a very beautiful diamond necklace Matilda chosen for that party. She wore it, she dressed very well, and she and her husband went to the party. Now in that party scenario, already she was very beautiful, she was looking very glamorous in that dress. Each and every male person of that party want to dance with her. And that was the only thing she wanted to show in that party. She was very happy with the behavior, with the surrounding of the party, because she looked very beautiful in the party. She was the most beautiful girl in the party. She was very happy because each and every person's showcasing her concept or their eyes on her only. She was the center of the party actually. She was very happy, and after finishing that party, they went back to home, right? Her husband called the tanker driver. They drew them and they went to the home. At home, she wanted to feel whatever the feeling she felt during the party, and she stand in front of the glass and wants to look herself how glamorous, how beautiful she is looking. That time only she observed that beautiful diamond necklace she lost. That was not there. So Matilda and her husband finding that necklace in the house here and there, but they didn't find it. So they both went back to the party. They walk on the road and finding if the necklace is thrown there on the road or not. But they find never able at the place. Finally, they went to the party place where the party held. There also they find out that necklace was not there. Now the situation become very worst. They buy the same design, the same look of necklace in very high amount, right? Whatever the amount Matilda's father given her, the whole amount she spent on the necklace. Then also she lent some money, she borrowed some money and given to the jeweler, right? And that jewelry, that necklace given to her friend. Here, after that situation, Matilda and her husband worked very hard to pay the amount of that jewelry. The whole life spoiled because of that. They went to a very small house They given all the things to collect the money to pay that for the jewelry, right? Even the wrinkles, even the skin were become faded to pay that money. Her husband also doing part-time job, 2 jobs to pay the bill of the jewelry, right? So the situation, the life become very worst because of that small thing only. It was that actually that was not a small thing for them. It was a very big thing for her, right? And that tension was showing on from their face also, right? After a few years, Matilda was walking on the road, and that friend from whom she borrowed the necklace was coming with her daughter. She was walking in the garden. So Matilda, first she don't want to go in front of her friend, but after she decided that she want to share that thing, that story to her friend, finally went with her and addressing about her friend, but her friend didn't recognize that what she is, who she is. Finally, Matilda told each kind of story after stolen that money, that jewelry, and her friend was very surprised because that necklace was not of the real diamond necklace. It was very cheap kind of necklace, very cheap money, from the very low amount of money she bought it. And Matilda came to know that it was not very rich diamond, actually rich jewelry. So this was the story, the necklace. The whole story suffered because of the necklace only, because the poor and rich people, there is a huge difference, right? It is based on our mentality only, that poorness or richness is coming inside of us only. If we are poor, right, but if the richness is inside of us, then nobody can hang us, nobody can make sad for each and every kind of situation. So this is the basic concept of this chapter. I hope you came to know about the basic idea of the chapter necklace. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you.